So I'd like someone to explain this to me. I got stunned by a smoke bomb probably about 2 minutes ago. Still going. Can't do anything. Can't use any abilities. Nothing. Yeah. I'm hoping someone on my team will knock me over, or an enemy will stun me, something, knock me out of this stupid fucking coughing fit. But, yeah. I can't do anything. I can't do a damn thing. This is ridiculous. Absolutely fucking ridiculous. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna send this to Ubisoft and see if they'll fix this. Hopefully with a patch. Or something.